Hello everyone, here's Evita. It's past midnight here now in Germany, and I just came back a while ago from a choir rehearsal and checked the video that I was working on this afternoon and realized how long it is. So I will be splitting it in two, but I'll be uploading both at the same time. Well, one after the other, of course. And I hope you'll join me and enjoy the video. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And hope to see you again next week. Germanders. And just like the lavenders, the bees just love them. There are some wild bees right now over here. So they also self-seed, which I don't mind. I keep transferring them some other places because, as you can see, the bees just love them. So it's very good for the pollinators. Right now I don't see too many bees or pollinators because it's very wet. It just stopped raining a few hours ago. So this is another one of the Malva moscata. Isn't it beautiful? And the bees and the butterflies love them too. So the Nandina is now starting to have new blossoms. I actually have another daylily here in pink, dark pink, light pink combination, but unfortunately all the blooms already wilted, so I'm really unhappy not to be able to show you, but maybe next year. Love the plant combination here. To the left, the blue flowering bellflower, a taller variety, is still performing, and the white loosestrife. They're really beautiful, but to really take care, they are quite invasive. And to the right is the Annabelle, Hydrangea Annabelle, and behind the Annabelle are some pink flowering anemones, taller variety. So they are starting to put out flowering buds now, and it's a fall flowering shrub. So we'll expect some blooms maybe in a month. This is another summer perennial here. I just forgot the name, but I'll look it up and label it accordingly. Anyway, this is another shrubby plant in yellow, and this one here is the Russian sage. It's also a plant that the bees love. And to the back are some inulas in yellow. They're all in yellow. And next to it is the Caryopteris. It's a fall blossoming plant. Well, actually sometimes late summer they already show the blooms. So look at that. This is the great masterwort. It's very beautiful. The flowers are so beautiful. Just love them. And here with the heart shape, variegated foliage. Some are not variegated. It's called a chameleon plant. They also have very dainty white flowers. This is one of my Japanese spirea. They're almost done blossoming. It's in this very dark pink color. And next to it is the white flowering shrubby plant. And the tall growing speedwell here, which is also almost done now. Here comes the sedum. It will be blossoming in pink. And this is another variety, the dark sedum with the dark foliage. And I just love this, but it's not as easy to propagate like the other ones. So this is another Japanese spirea in a light pink and white combination here. There are two different colors in one shrub. And I see it also needs some iron here. I have been very busy lately doing other stuff, and I just forgot about all these plants that need more iron than the others. So had to take care of that today. This is another shrubby plant in pink, light pink. So these are the peppermint, and I contain them here in this planter. And I just let it flower for the bees, but I would like to cut them down now because I like the foliage. I love the tea from this peppermint. This is another sedum variety here that I got from a friend. I just planted it last springtime. It's I just got a small plant and now it's growing. It has a dark stem. It's a combination of the very dark one I have and the lighter green, I guess. I'm hoping it will grow more stalks, but it doesn't seem like it. Maybe next year. So this is the white Gora, and I just love the flowers. I just love this airy character of the blossoms. And usually they're staying upright and this tall, but since it was raining a lot yesterday, just like all the other plants, they just tend to be pushed down to the ground. And I have some giant hyssop here, and the leaves, the foliage are being eaten by some kind of insects, which is okay. I have a lot of plants. The insects can eat some of the foliage too once in a while, as long as they don't eat everything. So this is a very fragrant flower here. Of course, the lavenders, the bees loves, and all the other pollinators, of course, love them too.